It's the morning, just went off grocery shopping. I'm just hopping out of bed. And my typical breakfast, which is a Cliff Bar, multivitamin, and some other vitamins. Speaking of the devil, here she comes. Cliff Bar's pretty good. Is that my buddy? Are you my buddy? You're my buddy? Oh, there's my buddy. Oh, good morning. We're on our morning stroll. All together.
Just laying in my car with Hudson. I have eaten all of those, not Oreos, all of those Doritos up there. I was editing, but I got tired, and so I climbed in the back. And he was just laying on top of me, getting some love and cuddles. But he wants me to do something with him. He either wants to go walking, or he wants dinner. One of those two things. Or both. So I just had Johnny try an apricot that I bought today. Alright, that was chaos. This is the brand of apricot. Johnny's not even going to finish it. Yuck. I'm going to eat them. They're not like great tasting, but I bought them. So, and it was like freaking almost $15 for that bag. So we're going to eat them. Is going to make dinner, and Hudson and I are going to go for a walk.
Alright, I'm cooking. I'm making us some, this is beef and pork, it's a combo. We're going to make some nudes as we call them, as you may remember if you're a true fan. Chopping away. We want nice small pieces. I'm sure you people at home know how to cook better than me, but this is how I cook. Hudson's still being here, being a wonderful helper. Yeah, I did say your name, but there's nothing ready to eat yet, bud. You're gonna have to wait a while. Dump in our pasta, like so, whole box, because we want it all. Go dump the grease out of this, but we want to get a hot hand, so don't burn ourselves. Alright, we're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. Yeah, we're gonna use whatever this is. We're gonna throw a little bit of this on here. Oops. Alright. Just gonna mix this up. Alright, the noodles are done. Now I'm gonna go strain them, and then we're gonna mix up our sauce. Now for the sauce, it's real easy. We're gonna take one thing of cream cheese, one jar of sauce, and then we're gonna take this bag of cheese. Plus we have a little bit left over this cheese. I'm just gonna add that in as well. Now we're just gonna add our jar of sauce into the whatchamacallit pan. I'm gonna add in the cheese now. The cream cheese is melted enough where it's not gonna take that much longer. Dump the whole bag in. I'm gonna add that in now and dump everything in now, slowly and carefully mixing it, basically just so I don't create a big mess. Just tried a bite. Forgot to film the first bite. It's delicious, as expected. I make it often, so are very similar. I make this basic meal the same thing. The meat changes a lot. Good.
So I'm taking Hudson on a walk over here. I have been kind of lazy today and just in a funky mood. I got up this morning, went to the grocery store with him, got a bunch of junk food, which is not good. I got like Doritos, Oreos. We've been snacking on those today. I bought what I thought was chocolate chip cookies, but they're pumpkin chocolate chips, so that was not as exciting to me. John is cooking dinner, and I'm up and out of the car now, taking Hudson for a walk. I did start editing the Rocky Mountain videos when Jackie and Dad were with us, but I did not get too far into that. He's the freaking cutest. He's the cutest, happiest boy. Come here. Come on. He's like debating going back to the campsite because there's food back there. Come on.
Oh, yeah. No, that's not for you. No. You had a good walk with your mama. You did. Oh, yeah. Yeah, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, you drink a little too quickly. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's a good baby. Yeah. Alright, I just chopped up a bunch of kindling. Probably gonna have a little fire tonight. I built a fire. Jess came and sat by the fire.
I built a chair.
Assembled.
Hudson, what are you doing, honey?
Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah.
So handsome.
Oh, he's a good boy. Oh. My guy.
No. My guy. What did you do?
I broke my foot.
What did you actually do, though?
So, I was chopping wood, and it gets stuck, so then I hit it, and I swung, but I missed the rock. It fully swung it.
Oh my god, are you okay? You can't tell other than that sign, but this is supposed to be the Salt Flats. Looks like a lake.
Jess decided she wanted a picture in the water. Still think you could drive on it, Jess?
A little bit. Not for long. I can feel the salt on my toes.
She did take her socks off.
Someone is excited that Uncle John's back. Oh, you're talking.
Yeah. Oh, that was nice. That's a nice greeting. I like that. Yeah, I do.
Hudson is stalking the passing traffic. John is splitting wood.